Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Espoir, Quebec, is a beautiful coastal village located on the Gaspé Peninsula, not far from the famous town of Percé. Espoir, which means Cape of Hope in English, is known for its stunning ocean views, rich maritime history, and peaceful atmosphere. Espoir has a long history that goes back to the early days of European settlement in the region. The village was named by early explorers who saw it as a symbol of hope during their voyages along the rugged Gaspé coastline. The area was primarily a fishing community, and the sea has always played an important role in the lives of the people here. One of the most charming features of Espoir is its picturesque lighthouse. It was built in the early 20th century, is a classic red and white structure that stands tall on the rocky shore.
Thank you very much.
It has guided ships safely along the coast for many years, and is a beloved landmark in the community. The views from the lighthouse are simply breathtaking, offering a panoramic look at the Gulf of Saint-Laurent. The surrounding area is also a haven for nature lovers. The coastline is dotted with small coves and beaches, perfect for a quiet stroll or a relaxing day by the water. The nearby forests and hills offer great opportunities for hiking and birdwatching, making Espoir a wonderful destination for outdoor activities.
Thanks for watching!